darkness ordinary. Just take a tip to be hip. It's no big deal. It's how you feel. The art of being fabulous, honey. It's just a state of mind so fabulous, honey. Whoa, oh, whoa. It's an attitude, just a way to get around. Whoa, to be fabulous, honey. Takes a little time to be fabulous, honey. Whoa, oh, whoa. Once you pull it off, oh, they never put you down. Whoa.
I love you, Julie.
How can you do this to me? You're driving me crazy.
Believe this, you're upsetting me, and you know I'm having Liz Taylor on the show.
You're upsetting me, and you know I'm cooking tonight.
Excuse me, but how can you compare Liz Taylor to making goat cheese pizzas?
Tonight is a very important night in the restaurant. Oprah's eating her first solid food in 2 years. You're being so selfish. Julie, I gave you your own table in the restaurant right by the window.
I need more than that. I want you to stop dating other women.
But I'm Italian.
Aldo, if you can't make a commitment to me, then maybe I should just find someone who can.
That's it. You pushed me too far. It's over between us forever. Finita per sempre. It's my restaurant, Bravo Aldo. Come Thursday, you'll catch share.
Julie, Candace is having a cow. Michelle, you can't let these network people make you crazy. Just relax, breathe, have a pastry. But Candace says that... Michelle, it's over forever. Candace fired you? No, I mean Aldo. He broke up with me.
Oh, you didn't ask him for a commitment, did you?
Yeah? What's wrong with that?
Well, that's what I do when I want to get rid of somebody.
Good work, Michelle. You found her.
Oh, thanks, Jeff.
Julie, I need you in makeup. I'm sorry if I'm pressuring you.
No, it's not that. It's Aldo.
Oh, Mr. Euro Trash. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Jeff, if you were my boyfriend, would you break up with me just because I asked you for a commitment?
Well, personally, Julie, I am looking for commitment in a relationship.
So why isn't Aldo?
Could be he's an emotional dwarf.
I know, but he's gorgeous.
Julie, can you go on? Because Brant can fill in. He's memorized your opening monologue.
She's fine, Candace, aren't you?
I'm a professional. I don't bring my personal problems to work.
Of course you don't. You're all circus, Julie. Excuse me. I have a show to direct.
I'm fine, Candace. I'm just fine.
Memo to head of programming. Julie becoming emotionally unstable.
So what do you think? Was I wrong? Was it so stupid to ask for a commitment?
Close your mouth, Jula. I gotta do your lips.
Julie, can we talk?
No, I can't talk that to your lips.
I have a confession to make. As the network executive in charge of steering the show towards greatness, I am baffled. I don't know what it's about. You just go out there and babble.
People love it when I babble.
Well, that might be your opinion, dear, but the entire show does not revolve around you.
And now, Julie Brown, the show! Live from CBS Television City in Hollywood, Miss Julie Brown!
Do you love this dress? I'm so excited because we have an unbelievable show for you tonight. We're going to explore a subject that I personally find really fascinating, the human potential for change. And of course, when you think of change, you think of changing your looks, changing your weight, changing the men in your life. And who's done that more than anybody? Liz Taylor, right? And she's going to be here tonight. Eat your heart out, Arsenio. Plus, extra blonde, extra pretty Susan Anton. Susan Anton. She's going to show us how she got so tall. cute, but they're not my type.
Well, we know what type you like.
I guess I'm singing. When I need something to help me unwind, I find a 6-foot baby with a one-track mind. Smart guys are nowhere, they make demands. Give me a moron with talented hands. I go bar hopping and they say last call. I start shopping for a Neanderthal. The bigger they come, the harder I fall in love too with them when they're out in the hall. I like a big and stupid. I like a big and real dumb. I like a big and so it is going to be a fabulous show. Oh, and I suppose Brad will do something. So let's kick off the evening with our field trip to the Hollywood School of Spirit Channeling. You'll meet an ordinary housewife who actually changes into John Wayne. Yes, it's unbelievable. And the Duke said some pretty amazing things about my career. He said that I would be the happiest girl in show business. And because of you, I am. Yeah. Let's watch this.
And we're clear.
Julie, are you okay? I'm fine, just fine.
Do you want me to take over now?
Go away.
Julie, what's the problem? What do you want?
I just want what everybody else wants. I want to be married and have a baby and a fabulous Hollywood life. I mean, if Melanie Griffith can have it all, why can't I?
Julie, can we discuss this later? Maybe over coffee?
Jeff, do you find me attractive as a man? I mean, as a man, do you find me attractive?
Yes, Julie. I find you extremely attractive.
Oh, thank you, Jeff. Director, ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Goldner. Oh, and here's Brent. Hi. Don't you just want to hug him and mess up his hair? I know I
In 5, 4, 3, 2.
Wasn't that John Wayne woman amazing?
When I heard her say, "Listen up, Pilgrim," I got chills.
Me too. Our theme for tonight is change.
Oh, I can relate to that. I've been through a lot of changes. You may not believe this, but I wasn't always such a warm, sensitive guy.
No.
I've opened up. I've become more aware.
Aware of what?
Well, I've learned that women have feelings too. And I guess what I'm proudest of is that I've learned to cry.
Oh, that's so sweet, Brent. Yeah. Everyone loves that. But hang on, because it's time for Brant's locker room. What's your topic?
Car phones. Innocent toy for the rich or highway hazard?
Can't wait.
Catch you later, Jules. Okay, fellas, let's mosey on over to the old locker room.